It's all like Hockey 8 here. I'm going to be making a prediction, or whatever you say. Yeah, prediction of who I think is going to win the Super Bowl. It is 6:49 right now. It's a few minutes into the Super Bowl. Ravens got a touchdown. Number 81 got it. Fleeko threw it, and number 81 got it in the touchdown zone and got a touchdown. So yeah, they're winning, but 49ers could still come back and win it. But my prediction is that Ravens are gonna win it. So yeah, you can just make a comment in who of you see this after the Super Bowl. Be honest and actually say who you think that was gonna win the Super Bowl. So my prediction is Ravens. So yeah, you go say what you want to say, but if you see this video after the Super Bowl, don't be like, oh, I thought the Ravens were gonna win it, and then let's say the Ravens win it. Don't be like, oh yeah, I thought the Ravens were gonna win it, and you actually didn't think that. You just went by who you thought. So yeah, just say who you think's gonna win it, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, peace out.